Is your ALDI Mobile 5G not working? Don't worry, you're not alone. As an MVNO using T-Mobile's network, ALDI Mobile's 5G relies on several factors: device compatibility, supported bands, and coverage availability. First, make sure you have a 5G compatible device. ALDI now primarily sells 5G-ready unlocked phones like the Samsung Galaxy A15 or Moto G Stylus 2024. If you're using your own phone, it must support T-Mobile's 5G bands. These include low-band 600 MHz N71 for wide coverage, mid-band 2.5 GHz N41 for balanced speed and coverage, and high-band mini-wave N260 for ultra-fast speeds in dense urban areas. Next, let's talk coverage. T-Mobile's 5G network reaches over 99% of the U.S. population. However, rural areas may still experience 4G LTE fallback. Check your location on a coverage map and be aware that 5G signals are line of sight and can be weakened by obstacles. Use T-Mobile's coverage map or apps like Network Cell Info to verify your device's compatibility and available bands in your location. Check your device is unlocked and has the latest OS. Ready to fix your ALDI Mobile 5G issues? Start with the basics. Reboot your device and toggle airplane mode. User reports show that 80% of 5G issues are resolved this way. Ensure that your APN settings are correct, set to fast.tmobile.com. A faulty SIM card can also be the culprit. Consider getting a replacement from an ALDI store. If problems persist, perform a network reset via your phone's settings. Urban users have reported success with this after software updates. For rural users in low-signal areas, consider a mid-band booster device. As for future trends, US 5G subscriber penetration is high, with ALDI users mirroring this due to affordable prepaid plans. By 2025, most new ALDI phones support all T-Mobile bands, and AI-driven diagnostics and apps may automatically fix minor glitches. Environmental trends include energy-efficient 5G chips to reduce battery drain.